Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this steampunk outfit and dress them press without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. Okay, to make the tutorial faster, I'm going to immediately show you the items that you need to choose. Start from the hairstyle. You can choose 3 hairs and then you're going to color it with the same color, and then you're going to put on this hat. For this hat, you're going to apply this pattern for the first selection, and for the flower, you can color it like this. Wait. Okay, this is for the flower, and then you're going to put on the sunglasses and just leave it like that. And then the earphone, this one, and I'm going to select it. Wait. It's the first selection, okay, and I'm going to replace it with the black color. Okay, oops, sorry, not black, but I'm going to make it this color. Alright, it's the same. Okay, and then the next one, you're going to put on this ribbon. You can color it like this. And then the suit from the masculine item, guys, and you're going to apply this pattern, this one, and then also this one guys. You can combine 2 patterns or even more. Okay, and then you're going to put on this jacket from the cuts item, make it top only, and then you're going to color it with this color. Okay, and then you're going to choose this skirt, guys. Okay, and for this skirt, I recommend you to and put on this skirt, and for this skirt, you're going to apply this pattern for the first selection until the last selection. And then you're going to put on the skirt set and choose circle 1, and then you're going to apply the black color, and also the white color. This one you can make it like this. And then you're going to put on this ballerina skirt, choose toggle 2, and then you're going to choose this palette. Okay, and then what else? Okay, and this one guys, the sleeves. For the sleeves, I'm going to make it this pattern for all the selection. Okay, oops, sorry, I forgot to mention the boots. Okay, you're going to put on this boots, and then also this stocking and this dress from the cuts item. But for this dress, you can choose top only or maybe sheer or default, and for me, I'm just going to leave it like that. And I'm going to mention the other one. Okay guys, and now it's done. And for the and I think I have already mentioned all the items, and I hope that this tutorial will be useful for you. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.